to my channel. My name is Aisha Shish. For those who are new here, karibuni sana, karibuni tena sana. And for the new subscribers, karibuni sana bado, karibuni. And also if you're new here, you've not subscribed and you're watching, please take a minute and subscribe. Take a minute and subscribe, guys. It will really help my channel. So guys, and also for the returnees, karibuni. How can I forget you guys? I really can't. So karibuni tena sana. So guys, today I'm starting my vlog with my baby here, and I have something to unbox with you. Something that I have been waiting so much to buy, and it's finally here. It's really finally here. I bought here they are. Here they are. There are two packages. So I'm going to unbox two packages with you guys, and I'm going to start with the small one. So I haven't opened ziko tu venye zimekuja. So I'm going to unbox them, then we get to see what it is. You see, I haven't unboxed them. So inside here we have two things. We have this vitamin C face serum. By the way, guys, I ordered them from Jumia. Yeah, and they were so, like, hey, this time round manze, if you want to buy something, hebu kimbia Jumia. Kimbia, wako na offers mzuri, wako na offers mzuri sana. So me, I wanted, okay, this ini I guess a selfie stick. It's kind of a tripod, a mini tripod. Yeah, it's a mini tripod ya kushikilia tu simu, yeah. And it was going for 240 shillings, guys. 240 shillings. Hey. And this one is ebu papa tuonyeshe. This one is Dr. Rachel Vitamin C. Manze watu, nimechoka na nini? Nimechoka na kujipaka tomato. Nimechoka na kujipaka tomato every morning, ati naamka kusugua hivi for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. No. So nimesema I'm going to try this. Yeah, so I'm going to try this. At least this one ndakuwa tuna apply. It works the same. Inafanya kazi the same kama the tomato one, but this one it's a bit easier, like una apply to and you're done. But the tomato one, you had to like scrub. So I'm going to use this one, and this one was how much? Was going for 300, also 340. That was so, ebu baba usiangushe simu. That was so what? Was so like affordable, very affordable. So guys, the next package, baba kapa tufungue. The next package is a tripod. I haven't opened. I'm opening with you guys. Hey manzi, I've been wanting to buy this thing. Like, I've been wanting so much to buy this thing, and it was very affordable. And the reason as to why I bought it, it was so cheap. Like, not that cheap, but it was very affordable, and it was coming with, ilikuwa inakuja na vitu zingine. Unaona? Hapo ni katiki bado. Chatu itolewe huku. So this is a tripod. And this one is a ring light. It's not that big. Abu ngoja. Yeah, it's not that big, but I guess it will suit me. It's a 13 inch ring light. So tulie. Ufanya nini? Yeah, it's not that big, but it's Wow, it's really wow. It's what, Daddy? Yeah, so the reason as to why I ordered this, it was coming with it was free gift. Like when you buy the ring light and the tripod, it was how much? It was 2700, and you are given this gift, the Bluetooth shutter and the microphone, you see, and also the crib. Yeah. And also the crib, guys. So Daddy, wait a minute. So guys, aki hapa niko na mjuaji. Hey, hata sitaki. Hebu baba, ngoja. Mimi sitaki univunjie juu. Ukinivunjia tutakosana sana. Hebu chukua ile yenye nimekupea. So, yeah, na hizi ni za ku connect. So guys, let me connect, then let me show you how I connect first. First, I'm going to hold my phone with the mini tripod, because if you know where I'm putting my phone, if you know, hey guys, I'm just happy. So guys, as I was saying, hey, kuna mtu hapa ananidea, hata heri ninge unbox kama amelala. So we have a ring light, kama nimewaambia, like kama venye nimesema, it's a 13 inch, yeah, and my phone I'm using a mini tripod. At least I feel good. Yeah, so I want to unbox the tripod. This one is the tripod, and I don't know how it works, but I guess niliona inafunguliwa hapo. Yeah, like that. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, so I understand. So I guess when ukifikisha kwa nini yako, you then close it. Yeah, you close it like that, as you can see. I don't know if you can see me well. Hebu aki hapa Pussy Tijan, Tijan, Pussy na Tijan, unataka kunisumbua? Wacha baba, unataka kusumbua mama? Yeah, like that. As you can see, it's so hebu achilia kwanza baba, tuonyeshe watu. Kaa hapa, nikikuitisha unanipea. Sawa? So as you can see, it's very long. Yeah, so you can open like that. I guess imefika mwisho. Yeah, so let me first. Guys, I even don't know how it is done. Let me figure out. So guys, this is how it's looking like, and it has like a controller here. It has like a controller here. You switch it on like that, then you switch it off. If you want to add light, you can add like that. Yeah, so I'll have to like let me first, acha nizime stima then nione venye itakuwa. Yeah, so Tijan, hebu tuzime. Hebu songa tuone. Haki manze, niko na mtu wako hapa ananisumbua. So it's like that. Manze, nimeshindwa na kufix hapa hivi juu. I don't know how I'm going to fix this thing. If you know of which nitakuwa nishajua. I'm just going to like Google on how to put it. Because for real nimejaribu nikashindwa. So, Tijan, hebu songa tuone. So that's it guys. Let me see how it's gonna look as I face it. So guys, that's how it's looking. Don't mind my hair. Sijaishanua. It's at night anyway. So that's how it's looking. Yeah, it have a yellow whitish somehow. Then it has a yellow one and a white one. Yeah, and I just love it so much. So as I figure out on how to like do this thing, let me see. So that's how it's looking. Oh, I just love it. I just love it. Yeah, so that's it guys. I'm so happy. I'm really so happy about it. Yeah, sijali nimepoesha stima. So I have a vlogging kit. Manze, nilikuwa nateseka na place ya kuweka nini, place ya kuweka like kushika simu and all that. Nikitaka kupika nashika simu. Guys, if you know where I have been putting my phone, that's a story of another time. I'll be telling you very soon where I was putting my phone. But for now, acha tufurahie. Tumepata tripod, tumepata ring light na tumepata kamini tripod. Yeah. At least I even feel good. Sasa vlogs zitakuja kukuja. I just feel good. So if you're there and you want a tripod, you want a mini tripod, a ring light, just go to Jumia. They have good offers. Yeah, they have good offers. Yeah, so kwanza kesho, it's on a Friday. So today is on a Thursday, so kesho it's on a Friday. Yeah, and they really do have good offers. Unaweza hata pata, you can even find like this tripod and the ring light imeshuka. Because for mine, I bought it at 2700. So on a Friday, you might get it at 25, maybe. Yeah, so guys, I just love that color. I don't know if I should stick to that color or the white one. I just love it. Yeah, Adi TikTok, here we come. Anyway guys, I'll just end my video there. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I just wanted to plug you in this. Yeah, and so guys, that's a plug. Kimbieni Jumia, mbai hizi vitu zinatoka cheap. Yeah, even tomorrow I'm going to like see what I'm going to order another one, because they are really sionauza vitu vizuri. Hebu kimbieni because mimi nikienda kubai hii, like nikienda kubai nilikuwa nimehesabia kitu 20 watts. Nilikuwa nimehesabia kitu nilikuwa nimehesabia like 35 and above, but I saw this at 27 and it was also coming with a microphone. It was also coming with a microphone and a Bluetooth shutter. You have a Bluetooth shutter. Yeah, these ones. You see? Yeah? So, because Bluetooth shutter, ikiwa peke yake is 200 shillings, and this one ikiwa peke yake, the camera, like the microphone, it's 300 shillings. So you see, this is 500 shillings. So you can add 30, like 27 plus 35 plus 500 inakuja 32. Yeah, inakuja 32. So nikasema it's even cheaper, unaona, because hiyo pesa yote nilikuwa nasema ni buy 35, but for now nimeinunua 27, hizi zikiwa free gift, unaona. So that's it guys, let me not talk too much because nikiongea nitaongea sana. Yeah, and so I'm so happy. So be waiting for cooking vlogs. Usafi bado. Yeah, so I'll be like motivated. I'll be like also motivating you guys. And that's it guys. Bye. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.